Hey, and welcome to this yoga sequence. We are doing warming poses today. And just come onto your all fours. Make sure that your wrists are under your shoulders. And when you are ready, lift up your knees. Keep your core engaged, and you can kind of have little bit roundness on your upper back, on the area of your shoulder blades. And just breathe here, a couple more breaths. And after next exhalation, we are moving on to side plank. So turn onto your left side, your left hand stays on the ground and your right hand reaches toward the ceiling. Make sure that your left thigh is engaged and your ankle is flexed. And then get ready to switch sides. Your right hand on the ground, left reaches toward the ceiling, right thigh engaged and ankle flexed. You can also have your gaze following your top hand. And after next exhalation, again turn onto your plank and again to the plank on the other side. You can do it the same way, or you can bring your right leg onto tree bows, so onto the side of your calf, for example. Still opening your arms and your chest, and of course your lower side. And then switching sides, either keeping both feet straight or bringing your top leg on the tree. It's just basically being really strong here, focusing on your breath all the way. Coming back to plank. You can bring yourself onto downward facing dog and step in between your hands and come onto the top of your mat, roll yourself up. We have chair pose next. So from your Tadasana, on your exhalation, bend your knees, reach your fingertips toward the ground and then raise your arms above your head. Keep your core engaged. And keep in mind that you can have your palms together or have a little bit gap in between your palms. Make sure that your shoulders are relaxed. That's the main thing. And then releasing from here, and right leg stays on top of your mat and step back with your left leg. Again, lift up your arms above your head. Palms can be together. We are coming to high lunge. Core is engaged. And try to have your right knee on top of your right ankle. Breathe and enjoy this pose. After next exhalation, we are coming to twist from here. So start bringing your left tricep on the outer side of your right thigh. Take your time and then bring your palms onto your heart center and really enjoy the twist. Keep in mind that you are also in a way opening your right knee to the side, so don't let it turn in. Last breaths here. After next exhalation, return to your high lunge. Then get ready to switch sides. So left leg is on top of your mat and right leg steps back. Left knee on top of the left ankle, coming to your high lunge. Again, try to relax your shoulders, pressing your shoulders back and down, lifting up your gaze. Also keep in mind that your core is engaged. And after next exhalation, get ready to do a twist. So bring your right tricep on the outside of your left thigh. Take your time adjusting yourself. In this pose, bring your palms onto your heart center and make sure that your left knee is opening to the side and not turning in. And just really enjoy the twist. Twists are really detoxifying poses. For example, that's one benefit of the twist. And then returning to your high lunge, and then you can come onto your mat, sit on your mat. We are moving on to boat pose. In your sitting position, lift up your legs. Try to keep your shins leveled with your mat, and you can have your knees bent. Try to keep your thighs as close to your upper body as possible, and open your arms to your side. Keeping your back straight and long, shoulders back and down. And you can smile a little. I know I don't smile here, but you can do that. And coming to the low boat pose. So come toward your mat, straighten your legs. Keep your shoulder blades off from your mat and bring your palms onto your heart center. Press your lower back onto your mat. Focus on your breath. And then lift yourself again up to your boat pose. You can straighten your legs if you wish, and keep in mind that your thighs are still close to your upper body. Opening your arms to your sides, and please, please, please smile a little. I have to remember that next time also. Come to your low boat, straightening your legs, bringing your palms onto your heart center, pressing your lower back firmly onto your mat. And just enjoy this and come again to your boat pose. And your knees can be bent or your legs can be straight, whichever feels more comfortable for you. Last breath here, and then you can bring your legs down. We are moving on to firelock pose. So bend your knees, left leg is the bottom one, and lift up your right leg on top of your left, right knee on top of your left foot, and right foot on top of your left knee. And just breathe and relax here. Shoulders back and down, and your back straight. Just enjoy this opening. We have a few more breaths here. And we are coming on to forward fold from here. So bring your elbows, arms or your elbows down. Relax your neck, focus on your breath. Enjoy the opening a little bit differently. Last breaths here. And And then we are ready to switch sides. So your right leg becomes the bottom leg and your left leg comes on top of your right. Knees and feet are on top of each other. And first just sit up, back straight and long, shoulders back and down, and enjoy here. So if you feel tension on your back, remember that your core should be engaged, so it's a little bit easier to remain here in relaxing way. And then get ready. Do your forward fold from here. Start bringing your hands or your arms, elbows onto your mat. Relax your neck. Enjoy the forward fold. Rounding off the back. Relaxing off the neck. And also, because this is our last pose before Savasana, and after next exhalation you can lift yourself up and then get ready to your Savasana. So come on, lying on your back, let your feet turn out a little so your hips are relaxed, palms toward the ceiling, shoulder blades firmly on your mat. Focus on your breath. Let every one of your breaths bring a little bit more relaxation into your body. And remember that every exhalation is your opportunity to let go of something that doesn't serve you anymore, whether it's tension or some thought or something. This is it. This is your place for that. Also remember that the practice kind of dies on Savasana, so in that way too it's the place to let go. And I leave you here for a little while. The quote today goes like this: we all wish for world peace, but world peace will never be achieved unless we first establish peace within our own minds. You can start waking yourself up, come up to seated, find comfortable position for you to end this practice. Keep your spine straight along. Your wrists can rest on your knees. Lift up your palms onto your heart center. This is your place for gratitude toward the practice that you just did. Bring your thumbs in between your brows. Make a little bow to say thank you. Namaste. And we see you again, or I see you again on the next video. And please remember, if you haven't already, remember to comment, like and subscribe to this channel. Bye now.